Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Benewake TF02-Pro LiDAR sensor. A single-point LiDAR designed for UAVs, smart traffic systems, and industrial applications. This sensor is an upgraded model, engineered for high accuracy, stability, and rapid response even in challenging environments. It offers a long-range detection capability, measuring distances from just 5 cm up to 40 meters on highly reflective surfaces, and up to 13.5 meters on low reflectivity surfaces, making it suitable for both short-range and mid-range applications. One of its standout features is its ability to maintain precision under strong ambient light conditions, up to 100,000 lux, which is roughly equivalent to bright daylight. This boasts impressive accuracy, providing measurements with an error margin of plus or minus 5 cm for close distances, and 1% for longer distances, coupled with a resolution of 1 cm and repeatability under 2 cm. This makes it ideal for applications that require precise distance measurements, such as UAV navigation, obstacle detection, and industrial material level monitoring. Its frame rate can reach up to 1000 Hz, enabling real-time monitoring and highly responsive measurements. Durability and environmental resistance are key to this sensor's design. It comes with an IP65 rating, which protects it from dust and low-pressure water jets. And it can operate reliably in temperatures ranging from -20°C to 60°C. The sensor is housed in a robust PC, ABS enclosure, ensuring it can withstand harsh industrial or outdoor conditions. For connectivity, this supports multiple interfaces. It can communicate via, or direct input-output signals, giving developers flexibility when integrating it with microcontrollers, drones, or smart traffic systems. The sensor is pre-calibrated for plug-and-play use, but users can adjust frame rates, boot rates, output formats, and I/O modes through simple commands. Benewake also provides free PC software for real-time data visualization, parameter tuning, and firmware updates, making it easy to configure and maintain. The physical design is compact, measuring just 69 mm by 41.5 mm by 26 mm and weighing only 50 grams with its cable, which makes it lightweight enough for drone or UAV applications without adding significant load. The sensor comes with an 80 cm cable and access to software and technical support. Its eye-safe design complies with EN 60825 Class 1 standards, ensuring safe operation in both indoor and outdoor environments. Applications for this are broad and versatile. It can be used in smart traffic systems for vehicle detection, toll collection, and parking management. In industrial settings, it can monitor material levels in silos or containers. For UAVs, it provides reliable obstacle avoidance and altitude control. And in smart parking solutions, it can detect space occupancy and assist in guidance systems. Overall, this combines long-range detection, high precision, ultra-fast response, and a durable design in a compact package. It's a robust solution for anyone needing reliable LiDAR sensing for drones, robotics, smart traffic systems, or industrial automation. That's it for today's deep dive into this sensor. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews and analysis.